Hello, wonderful learners. Welcome back to Sarah and James's English practice.
Hi everyone. How are you doing today?
Today, we have a comprehensive deep dive lesson for you.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for daily lessons.
In this episode, we will learn how to practice English speaking alone.
That's right. This is super important for all English learners.
Speaking is a key skill, and practicing daily helps build confidence.
I remember struggling to speak English alone. It felt weird.
That's completely normal, James. Many learners feel the same way.
When do we actually need to speak English in real life?
In various situations like traveling, job interviews, or chatting with friends.
That makes sense. So, what should we start with?
Let's set a daily speaking time of at least 15 minutes.
15 minutes? That sounds doable. How do we use that time well?
You can practice in front of a mirror. It helps with expressions.
Oh, I see. Watching my mouth movements would be helpful.
Exactly. You can also record yourself speaking on a topic.
That way, I can listen and find areas to improve, right?
Yes. Pick a topic and speak for a few minutes. It's very useful.
What about shadowing? I've heard it's a good technique.
Great question. Shadowing means repeating after a native speaker.
Like mimicking their sentences to improve pronunciation?
Exactly. Here's a trick: listen to short clips and repeat them.
I love that. What else can I do to expand my vocabulary?
Create a daily vocabulary list. Use each word in a sentence.
So, I can say, I learned a new word today, exuberant.
Perfect. Each new word should be practiced out loud.
What if I pick a topic each day to explain?
Yes. Explain it as if you were teaching someone else.
That sounds fun. I can pick things I love like cooking.
Exactly. You can also engage in self-dialogues.
Like asking myself questions and answering in English?
Yes. This helps you think in English, which is important.
What about using apps? Are they helpful?
Absolutely. Many apps have speaking exercises. Set daily goals.
I'll definitely try that. Now, let's practice together.
Let's practice. Imagine you are at a cafe.
Okay. What should I say?
You can say, "I would like a coffee, please."
Got it. Pause the video and try it.
Great job if you said it right. Let's keep going.
Now, what's next on our list?
Let's build on what we learned. Choose more complex topics.
So, I can talk about my favorite movie or hobby?
Exactly. Connect your ideas to make longer sentences.
What are some common mistakes to avoid?
Many learners confuse speak with talk. Here's the difference.
I see. Speak is more formal, while talk is casual.
Exactly. And don't forget, practice makes perfect.
Let's do another practice round together.
All right. Let's role-play a conversation at the airport.
Okay. I'll be the traveler.
And I'll be the airport staff. Ready? Go.
Hi. Where is gate 5?
It's just down the hall to your left.
Thanks. I appreciate your help.
Great job. Now, try this at home.
I'll practice talking at different places, like restaurants too.
Perfect. It's all about practicing in real-life scenarios.
I have a funny story about speaking English alone.
Oh, I want to hear it. What happened?
I talked to myself in the mirror and scared my cat.
That's hilarious. Cats have funny reactions.
It's a great reminder that making mistakes is okay.
Absolutely. I had a student who improved so much with these tips.
What did they do that worked?
They practiced speaking every day and were not afraid to make errors.
That's inspiring. What are some common mistakes learners make?
One mistake is saying I am boring instead of I am bored.
Oh, I see. I will remember that.
Another mistake is using the wrong tense. For example,
Like saying I go yesterday instead of I went?
exactly. Always check your tenses when speaking.
What's the last common mistake?
Many forget to practice pronunciation. It's key to clear speaking.
I will focus on that. What's our cheat sheet for today?
Here's a quick summary. Set a daily time, use a mirror, and record yourself.
And shadowing, vocabulary lists, and explaining topics.
Correct. If you remember nothing else, remember to practice daily.
That's a golden rule. What's our homework challenge?
Try using 3 new phrases tomorrow and write your practice sentence in the comments.
I will practice 3 phrases about my favorite hobbies.
Thank you all for joining us today. You are amazing.
Drop a comment, we read every single one.
Like and share this video with a friend who is learning English.
And remember to subscribe and hit the bell for more lessons.
See you in the next lesson. Keep practicing.